If your KDP books are not making money, you picked the wrong niche. Simple. Not the cover, not the title, not the algorithm, the niche. And if you don't fix that, you will keep publishing books that don't sell. Subscribe to Silent Publisher if you're done guessing. And join the Twitter and Telegram community. That's where I share what's actually working in real time. Now let me show you how to find a niche that actually makes money in 2026. This is not theory. This is not try and see what happens. This is a system. And once you understand it, you stop publishing blindly. And you start publishing with intent. Because the difference between people making money on KDP and people stuck at zero is not effort. It's precision. Most people will tell you, find a niche with high demand and low competition. That sounds good, but it's incomplete. A real winning niche has three things. Existing demand. People are already buying, consistently. Weak competition. The books ranking are not optimized or professionally done. Clear buyer intent. People are not browsing. They are searching to buy. Let me simplify that for you. If people are buying, but the books are weak, and the audience is specific, that is where the money is. For example, budget planner, too broad. Budget planner for students, still broad. But budget planner for single moms. Now you have a defined audience, a clear problem, a stronger reason to buy. That's not just a niche, that's positioning. Now let me show you the exact system. This is where most people get it wrong. The three-step niche system. Step 1, demand check. Go to Amazon, search your keyword. What you are looking for is simple. Are there multiple books with consistent reviews that are clearly selling? Not one lucky book, not random listings. Consistent demand across multiple titles. If you see that, you are in a market. If you don't, move on, because no demand means no money. Step 2, competition quality. Check. This is where most people fail. They focus on numbers, but ignore quality. What you should actually be checking. Are the covers professional? Are the titles clear and compelling? Are the reviews showing satisfaction or complaints? Ask yourself, if I were a buyer, would I confidently choose one of these books? If the answer is no, you've found something important. Because weak competition is not a problem. It's an opening. You don't need to beat the best. You need to outperform what already exists. And in most niches, what exists is average. Step 3, positioning angle, your edge. This is where the real difference is made. Most people stop at the niche, but the money is in positioning. Instead of creating gratitude journal, which is generic, you refine it. Gratitude journal for anxiety. Gratitude journal for teens. Gratitude journal for Christians. Same base idea, different audience, different emotional connection, different buying behavior. That's how you move from just another book to something that actually sells. Let me save you time. These are the mistakes that keep most people at zero. Copying trending niches blindly. Just because something is trending doesn't mean you understand the demand behind it. Ignoring audience specificity. If your book is for everyone, it is for no one. Focusing only on Amazon. This is a big mistake because most people think KDP is the entire business. It's not. Here's what most people don't realize. The real money doesn't come from KDP alone. KDP is the entry point. Once you validate a niche, you expand it, turn it into an audiobook, distribute it beyond Amazon, build multiple income streams from one idea. That's how you scale. One niche, multiple formats, multiple income sources. That's the system. If you follow this process, you won't just find niches, you'll find opportunities. And once you understand that, publishing becomes predictable. If you want my full niche strategy, comment niche below. I'll guide you step by step. Subscribe to Silent Publisher if you're serious about doing this properly. And join the Twitter and Telegram community. That's where I share deeper strategies, updates, and real opportunities. Because there's a difference between guessing and building something that makes money. And here, we focus on what makes money.